Most tire shop owners think profit problems come from tire prices, rent, or competition. But what if the real problem is sitting inside the shop every single day, quietly eating profit without anyone noticing? Wasted time. And here's the scary part. Most tire shop owners don't even realize how much money it's costing them. By the end of this episode, you'll understand where tire shops lose time, how that quietly destroys profit, and simple fixes that can make your business run smoother without needing more customers. Because here's the truth, many tire shops are working hard, but not always working smart. And when time gets wasted, profit disappears fast. Think about this. If your team wastes just 1 hour per day, that doesn't sound like much, right? But over a month, that becomes delayed jobs, slower turnaround, wasted wages, frustrated customers, and money quietly leaking out of the business. This is where most people mess up. They focus on selling more tires while ignoring the hidden inefficiencies happening every day. Let's break down where tire shops waste the most time. First, looking for stock. You know the situation. A customer arrives, staff start searching. Someone checks one corner. Another person looks in the warehouse. The tire was moved somewhere else. 5 minutes gone. 10 minutes gone. And this keeps happening all day. If fast-moving tire sizes are not organized properly, your team wastes valuable time constantly searching instead of fitting. Simple fix: keep your most used tires easiest to access. Sounds basic, but basic systems create serious profit. Now here's something no one talks about. Waiting until the last minute. A customer booking comes in, but no one checks stock early. No preparation, no planning. Then the customer arrives, and suddenly everyone rushes to figure everything out. Checking inventory, calling suppliers, moving jobs around, everything becomes reactive. And reactive businesses lose time fast. Smart tire shops prepare before customers arrive. Quick question. Does your shop prepare jobs early or wait until customers walk through the door? Be honest, because this one habit alone changes workflow massively. Next problem, repeating the same questions again and again. What tire size was it? What vehicle was it? What did the customer ask for? No notes, no systems, no clear process. So staff repeat the same conversations multiple times, and small delays become big delays. Don't skip this part, because many tire shops think systems are complicated. They're not. Even simple checklists can save serious time. Basic customer notes, standard job steps, simple reminders, that's it. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is less confusion. And speaking of confusion, poor communication is another silent profit killer. One staff member doesn't know what's happening. Another isn't updated. Jobs become unclear. Customers start waiting longer than expected. And suddenly the whole day feels stressful. This is where most owners say, that's just how tire shops are. No. Chaos is not normal. It's just common. Efficient shops create clear communication. Everyone knows what job comes next. Everyone understands priorities. And work moves faster. Now let's talk about another hidden problem: slow decision-making. Some tire shops overcomplicate everything. Simple decisions become long discussions. Should we order? Should we fit now? Should we move the booking? Minutes turn into delays, and momentum disappears. Fast businesses make simple decisions quickly. Not rushed, just clear. Here's the real cost of wasted time that most people never calculate. Fewer jobs completed. Higher labor cost per job. Frustrated customers. Staff pressure. And squeeze profit margins. Quietly, without anyone noticing. And here's the interesting part. Sometimes the answer isn't getting more customers. Sometimes the answer is simply wasting less time. That alone can massively improve profit. So what do smart tire shops actually do? They keep fast-moving sizes organized. They prepare before customers arrive. They use checklists, they standardize processes, and every week they ask one simple question. If practical tire shop tips like this help you think differently about your business, subscribe and stick around for more real-world advice that actually works. If you run a tire shop, garage or mobile tyre fitting van and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available. TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range and premium tyres all in one place. Plus fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.